Yes, boy. We started discussing displacement reaction. So to explain this reaction, one of the beautiful example which is given here is reaction with iron, that is ferrous, with copper sulfate, CuSO4. For this experiment, I will take few things like test tube. Can you see it, boys? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'll take test tube. Then I'll take a test tube stand. Okay. I'll take iron nails, right, as in ferrous. I'll take brand new iron nails, right. Then I'll take copper sulfate mixture, salt, CuSO4 salt. What I'll do first, I'll take the test tube. I will add copper sulfate salt is basically bluish green in color. I will add copper sulfate salt in it. Then I'll add water. Then I'll add water on the test tube. Okay, boys? So now copper sulfate aqueous solution is ready. I took test tube, I added copper sulfate salt in it, I added water. Now copper sulfate solution is ready. Okay, boys? Boys, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
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 Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now take this brand new nail, tie a thread to it, and immerse it in the copper sulfate solution. So simply I reacted iron with copper sulfate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now keep this mixture aside. Generally, according to theory, it will take, this reaction will take 20 minutes, but practically it can take 1 day. Right? Because, sir, you can say why? Because it depends on grade of the chemicals, atmospheric conditions. There are a lot of factors which will affect the rate of reaction, which was explained by Le Chatelier principle. You will study in, again, +1 standard. Le Chatelier's principle, which explains the factors affecting the rate of reaction. This thing you will study in higher classes. Okay, boys. So after 20 minutes, say according to theory, after 20 minutes, you know what will happen when I remove this nail? That nail will be converted into this copper color. Nail's color changes from this iron color to copper color because of deposition of copper on the nail. Because ikkada displacement occurred here. What happened? Sulfur ions displaced into ferrous and copper get coated out. Copper gets separated out. So displacement reaction, right? So in this reaction,
Once explain again products, sir.
yeah, here the product is ferrous sulfate and copper is formed. When iron ferrous reacts with copper sulfate, you will get ferrous sulfate and copper. So in this reaction, iron has displaced or removed, right, into the another element, and copper is displaced from copper sulfate. So iron is displaced from this nail and reacted with copper sulfate. So reacted with sulfur, and sulfur get separated out. Okay, so this reaction can be understood by the reaction which you will see here. See what will happen here in this video. Can you see the video, boys?
No, sir.
Now, can you see the?
No, sir.
Touch the screen.
Sir, you paused it.
Sir, we are able to see the video, but it is not streaming.
You
Sir, now it is playing.
you double click that thing, it will scream. Okay, so I'm reacting copper sulfate with iron nail. Let's see what will happen. So basically, this solution is copper sulfate solution is basically greenish blue in color, right? After this reaction occurs, the color of this thing will get faded out, right? So this test tube, right, it is greenish blue in color, but it will become like light colored, and the complete copper was transferred to the iron, right? So see, the experiment is going on. If you have textbook, you can see the photos in page number 11. Open your textbook meanwhile. Open page number 11.
10, sir.
No.
Event, sir.
Check out in page number 11, figure number 1.8. In 10, experimental setup is shown. In 11, results are shown. So see the video I'm adding. ferrous sulfate, sorry, copper sulfate to the test tube. Okay, boys. Boys, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then added water, then shaking. Yes. So blue colored solution is there, greenish blue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, as complete salt is not dissolved, I will separate it in another test tube and I'll add nail to it. Check out carefully. Okay. So this setup was kept aside. Boys, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
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 Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after waiting for 1 day, what happened? Reaction you can clearly see here. Right. See the color of the nail. Does it change?
Yes, sir.
Change, sir. Black color.
Of the solution was lost. Right? Why color of the solution lost? Because boys, previously solution was copper sulfate solution. Now that solution is ferrous sulfate solution. Because iron shifted from iron nail to the sulfate. So the color became colorless because there is no copper in the solution right now. Where is that copper? That copper is on the nail. Okay, guys. So when I react iron, note down the reaction with CuSO4 solution for 1 day, what I am getting? I am getting ferrous sulfate and copper separately. Clear? Boys, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Noted down the reaction?
Noted, sir.
Yeah. So there is one more beautiful reaction which is not there in your textbook, but I'll show you so that you will understand this concept much more clearly. Okay, boys?
Okay, sir.
Don't want.
Want, sir.
On, sir.
Because this reaction is somewhat faster.